All right, Drew. So I know you had the 38 SAV that you absolutely loved from us. What made you finally make the jump to go to the 43?
Well, you know I had my eye on it for a while, and I loved that 38. Family experiences on it were incredible. I think there's not just a little bit more boat in the 43, but I really like the upgrade from the electronics that are in it. Of course, the fishability of it, the sides going down. Our family loves to dock, throw out the anchor somewhere and go swimming off the swim platform. So those were all things that, this boat does on an absolute next level. The cabin too, we actually do use headspace, the sunlight in the cabin. It's another part of it. Goes without saying, the 600s are absolute beasts.
I was going to say that's a big difference.
Big difference, right? It's only 4 feet in length, but it's a really big step up.
Today's finally delivery day. How excited are you, and how's the process been here with Sandy Hook?
Excited doesn't even begin to describe how I feel like just coming onto the boat for the first time. Sandy Hook, it's a completely different experience. Anthony, you and I have become friends in this process. This is the second boat we've done together, and getting to know Dan and Craig and the whole crew at Sandy Hook, it's really clear that I'm not just a customer or a client. You really do feel like you're a part of something bigger here.